Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create and manage a watch list on Tradingview. Alright, this is going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to select the watch list option. So what you want to do is to select the watch list option from the accounts menu, and this will take you to the watch list page where you can create and manage watch lists. Now the step 2 is to create a new watch list. So you can just create a new watch list and add symbols. You can add stocks, forex, futures, and cryptocurrencies to your watch list. Step 3 is to customize watch list settings. So customize watch list settings such as notification preferences and sorting, and you can adjust the watch list settings to suit your specific need. And the fourth step is to learn how to use watch lists. So learn how to use watch lists to track our markets and stay informed, because watch lists provides a convenient way to monitor multiple symbols and receive notifications on them. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create and manage a watch list on Tradingview. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next